So here we are on Gallopland. Let me see. Buddy, go, 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 go. Chase each other. Come on, guys. So nice here. Woo-hoo. Wet. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I have shoes in the car. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy grazing. This is wonderful. Look at this bush to graze on. Hui. So all the good children are here. Hello. The big guys, Mason and Flock, and Brody. No, it's okay, sweetie. I don't want to talk to you. I'm just saying. Everybody loves to graze. They love it so much, they're not even thinking of running. My little cows. They're micro cows. Become quite humid again. Can we change the window, please? Wow, gagas. Well, I'm waiting for Gallop. Can you just go? Yeah, guys, come on. Hey, buddy, what is it? Salad. Well, I mean, this is boring. Okay, I'll turn on again when they start running. Yes, she loves doing that. Yeah, such a unique trait. And Cody's like, what? Bella Boo. Bella, come. Come on, Buzz. No, Mason. Oh, there we go. Good. Hide there. Go. Run. Cody, come on, guys. You tired from the previous hike? Oh, what is it? Run. Oh, this is my second one because before we were kind of cut short by the rain. Yes, yes. Very nice, very nice. Adde, guys. Jesus. Cody, why are you so quiet? Well, sorry.